Welcome SATs Genius to question number 5, and this question is all about numbers in a sequence increasing by 45 each time. Now the first thing we're going to do is just double check that we are indeed increasing by 45. So 155 to 200 should be plus 45. 200 to 245, well that's an obvious one, that's obviously going to be plus 45. And then we're going to go 245 over to this box is going to also be plus 45, and then from that mystery box to that one is going to be plus 45, and then we've got a box right at the start. Now with that one we actually going to need to come backwards from 155 to the mystery box. Well, if we're going the opposite direction, we're coming backwards, we've got to do the opposite thing, the opposite operation to the number. And if we're adding 45 going one way, when we go the opposite way, we need to take away 45. So let's see what we get when we do some of these sums. So the first one we've got to do is 245 add 45. Now we might be able to do that on our heads, but there's no harm just checking with a column method. So 245 plus 45. If you've done it in your head, hopefully you've got 290, but I am just going to check. So 5 plus 5 is 10, put the 0 in, carry the 1. 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 9. Then 2 plus nothing is 2. So it is indeed 290. The next one we've got to do, now we know that that is 290, we've got to do 290 plus 45. Again, we might be able to do that in our heads, hopefully. You should be getting 335, but there's no harm in checking. So 290 plus 45, let's see where that takes us. 0 plus 5 is 5, 9 plus 4 is 13, put the 3 in, carry the 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. It is indeed 335. Now there's one final one to do, and we did say that we're going 155 backwards, so we're minusing 45 this time, subtracting 45. So 155 subtract 45, see where that takes us. 5 take away 5 is 0, 5 take away 4 is 1, 1 take away nothing is still 1. So we should this time be getting 110. And there we have it. So just remember, if your sequence moves forwards in a number, so like plus 45, if you go backwards and you have to reverse the sequence, you have to do the opposite. So you then have to do the opposite of plus 45, which is subtract 45. Always a good idea to double check with column methods.